Hello and welcome to our page comgyan.com. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will be sharing comprehensive accountancy project for class 12th on the topic mobile stores. You can download the PDF of this project for free from our website www.comgyan.com. This project is based on latest CBSE guidelines and include GST entries as required by CBSE. So, let's have a look on this project. In this project, Mr. Ankit Sharma, a graduate, has started a business of trading mobile phones under the name Messrs Mobile Stores, a sole proprietorship concern. He sold 500 square feet land gifted by his father for rupees 10 lakh, which he used as opening capital of the business. Further, he used his savings of rupees 5 lakh as a capital. He took a shop on rent for rupees 25,000 per month and bought furniture of rupees 5 lakh. He also took a loan from bank for rupees 5 lakh at the rate 12% per annum. The loan is repayable in 5 annual installments of rupees 1 lakh each. The following adjustments are made in balance sheet. Closing stock is valued at rupees 5,50,000. Provision electricity charges for the month of March yet to be paid rupees 5,000. Prepaid factory rent for the next year of rupees 25,000. Created provision for bad and doubtful debts for rupees 5,000. Depreciation on fixed assets for AC 15%, for furniture 10%. In this project, we have made general entries, ledgers, trial balance, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Moreover, profitability ratios and liquidity ratios are calculated in this project. Profitability ratio includes gross profit ratio that shows the relationship between the gross profit and total sales revenue. Net profit ratio shows the relationship between the net profit and total sales revenue. Liquidity ratios includes current ratio that measures the ability to pay short-term obligations with its short-term assets. Quick ratio shows the cash and other liquid resources of the organization in comparison to its current liabilities. Let me tell you once again, you can download the PDF of this project from our website www.comgyan.com. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe our page. For more project and updates, do visit our website www.comgyan.com.